Hey guys, we're back, and today we're going to be doing our color of the month collab with Nate Bright Art. So after me, please go check out his. Our color of this month, of course, because it's February, we're going cliche and going with red. I've chosen Arteza Bordeaux Red as my red, but I also have some Pebeo Iridescent Red Blue and some watermelon, which is more of a pink, but it's still in the red family. And then to go with those, we've got Creative Inspirations Titanium White with Vallejo Pearl Medium mixed in with it. We've got some TLPs, we've got Zeus, and we've got Harvest Gold, and we've got Submarine, and then I've got some Deco Art Copper mixed up, and then in this bottle is my Artist Loft Flow Black, or Soft Body Black, whatever it's called. Now I lose track. And then these are all mixed with Mix Pour. And I'm going to be using, ooh, that's glare. I'm going to be using this split cup right here. It's got a little handle on it. It was a gift, but it's very much like in the style of Mixed Media Girl. So I'm thinking maybe it's a Mixed Media Girl split cup. Maybe she makes them now with a handle. Not sure. I'll have to go check out her website, mixedmediagirl.com. But yeah, it's 5 chambers, and we're going to be doing a straight pour on a little 9x12 edge canvas. It is a deep dish. So, okay, let's get down here and start pouring. Mufasa is here. He's going to be supervising. Yes, you're going to supervise, huh? Yeah? Okay. You ready to pour? Yeah? You ready to pour? Okay. Yes, you're cute. You know when you're on camera, don't you? And we're back, and I am pouring in the paint into the split cup. We've got the black on the outer edge. There I am putting white and then TLP Submarine into the middle chamber, Bordeaux on the opposite outside chamber of the black. That is the Pebeo Red Blue. And then this is the TLP Zeus. Next will be the TLP Harvest Gold. I believe I put more Zeus on top of the Harvest Gold. And yeah, I'm putting way too much paint in my cup, as you can see. It wasn't supposed to be that much. It was supposed to be half that amount. But then, I don't know, things went off the rail and I just started adding more paint because it was like, oh, my chambers aren't even. So, and then, I'm dumping even more on and putting the rest of the Arteza Bordeaux Red in the middle. I mean, the results that I get, I'm in love with. But yeah, there was a lot of excess paint, but I do scrape up all of my paint drips, put them back into a container, and use them in base paints and flow extenders on other paintings, so it doesn't get wasted. For those of you freaking out when you see how much paint ends up in the bottom of this puppy pool, don't worry, it all gets cleaned up and reused. And you'll see that because I have a radial swipe coming up next week, and I am using leftover paints on my base. The drippings that are in one of my little frozen gelato containers. I don't waste anything. I save my containers even. So, but yeah. I'll put some music on, we'll play through the rest, and I'll see you back here for dry results.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. from up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Okay guys, here we are back with dry results. We have a great train today. If you did not check them all out, please check out my description for everybody's links. It started with Mina Villegas Art, then it went to Brian, then me, and then we have probably Anuka and Kelly, and then Nate wrapping things up. I love how this dried. I absolutely love how it dried. I've been singing that song, Sharan calling Wildfire. I kind of saw, I don't know, it looks like a horse's head to me. It might not to you, but to me it does. But yeah, I really like it. I hope you liked it too. Please do the likey, subscribey, belly things, and I'll see you in the next one. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!